Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. We are new year. I do art tutorials on drawing characters and pretty much maybe inking them and designing them actually, and also concept art. So today I'll be doing a sketch on Spider-Man, and I hope you guys love it. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, I would like you guys to hit the subscribe button and also like this video, give this video a thumbs up. I would like other people to see it. So that thumbs up is very important. Thank you. So now I'm going into detail with the Spider-Man. Okay. So yeah, I'm using the 2B pencil. So when I'm drawing the Spider-Man, I always like to take my strokes like maybe twice at a time, and always like my work to be a little bit darker. My sketches actually. So going for a Spider-Man, big man, bro. It's really yeah. So I'll join the eyes now. The marks, the eye, yeah, yeah, yeah. I draw Spider-Man, Spider-Man. So now I'm finished basically with the outlining of the face. So you can see. So what I'll be doing now, I'll be doing the signs on the web on the face. Okay, I think I made a mistake here. Okay, Spider-Man, 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 Spider-Man. So I'd like you guys to stay to the end of this video to see the outcome of this guy. Bro, you're gonna see this. He's a lovely guy. You're gonna write this. Yeah. So today I'm not gonna be showing myself. You got me? I'll be showing the process of how Spider-Man is gonna be. Oh my god, this guy is so cute. Spider-Man! So I'm done with the first stroke. So now I'll be adding some detail with the eye to the eye. That's the cover. Should I say it's part of the eye marks? So yeah. Oh my goodness, I'm getting it. Yeah. Okay. So I think this place is a little bit exaggerated. So in this drawing, I'm not making use of any grid lines or whatsoever, or any dimensions or any style. I'm just going directly to draw my Spider-Man. And actually, basically, I think that's how I approach my characters, drawing them just like that. So now I'll be doing the web. Hey, my goodness. So. Honestly, I don't want you guys to meet me with this. Oh my goodness. So I like guys to anger as I do the web, bro. It's really tricky here. I think I've made a mistake. I don't think so. Yeah. Ooh. Basically, today, I don't think I'm really in the mood of doing some crazy jobs. But I'll try my best, to draw Spider-Man by sketching it. So fast, I drew Spider-Man in 12 minutes, bro. Let's see if we can catch up. If we can catch up. So I'm just trying to be myself. You get me? Just trying to be myself, Brooks. Nothing else. So as an artist, the thing I do, you know, I just try to be myself. That's the main idea behind anything you see, bros. Just try to be myself. When you try to be yourself, you can be distinct. You get. So trying to be yourself means a lot. So guys, if you like this video, I'd like you guys to give this video a thumbs up. And also, just give this video a thumbs up. That's where that works. So, here with me, I'm still using the what's the name? The 2B pencil. 2B pencil. Spider-Man, Spider-Man, do 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 do. Yeah, sorry for that. I'm just, as a kid, you gotta watch Spider-Man. You watch every fucking day, Brooks. You get tired of this shit? You watch Spider-Man, you watch Injustice, you watch Batman, you watch Superman. Well, I'm gonna be drawing most of those characters in this fucking stuff. So from there, I'm gonna show you guys how I actually draw my characters. I upload every fucking, well, I upload in time, but I guess I'll like, oh, I get YouTube knows, okay? I upload almost every day. You get, maybe most times Friday, yeah. So that's in it. So yeah, um, I'm gonna use I'm gonna try outline the neck. Same pattern. You guys noticed previously I was using one pattern, but now I'm using another. Yeah, I just prefer this to that. But I guess it has Spider-Man has just one pattern. That's the normal pattern everybody uses. So basically, drawing Spider-Man. That's something I tried doing here. So, did you like this? Let's try to see what is gonna give us at the end. You get. Let's see what's gonna give us. So during this, I'm gonna pick my this pencil. I really like the 3B pencil from Cherry Pencil. So now I'm gonna use to make it a little bit legible. So basically, before I ink or before I draw the comics, I draw these lightning sketches, you get, which is sometimes insane. But you gotta enjoy this, bro. Spider-Man drawing all this shit. You're gonna enjoy it because it's enjoyable. Yeah, you're gonna enjoy it because it's enjoyable, bro. You gonna, you don't know why, you don't know why, you don't know why. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification icon so that you can know when I upload new video. Oh yeah. I'm so obsessed with these characters right now, bro. Oh, I forgot some girls could also be watching my fucking channel. Oh, I'm sorry for saying that, guys. Just sorry for saying that. So let's see what's gonna happen here. Yeah, I'm pressing my pen tools out of here because I want it to be like that. You get. So after sketching, I overlay it with the other pencil so that I'm gonna get what I'm looking for. Actually, I don't do my shading during the sketching, which many people do, but I prefer doing it after. after the process, guys. Let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, let's do this. Let's do this, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna just overlay the webs. So now I think I'm getting to see my character popping up. He's popping up. He's popping up like a pop can. No, 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 Spider-Man. You gonna compare Spider-Man with a pop can, bro? Don't say that. See, as an artist, you gotta be consistent. You don't need to have if it's anything anywhere, you just have to have it to motivate you. Life is weird. You have to be motivated to be an artist. So if you're watching here, as I'm drawing, I'll be giving you some tips on how to be motivated as an artist. Because let me tell you something. Nowadays, yeah, it's harder. It's so hard to be an artist. Like I know that. I know that it's so hard to be an artist nowadays. So there are so many things you could do as an artist. There's so many things you could do as an artist. Okay? Okay, 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 okay. Gay, 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 gay. You gay, 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 gay. So you guys, I'm so amazing. I'm so amazed actually for you guys watching this video. I'd like you guys to subscribe, and I thank you guys for watching this video to the end because it was a really drilling video. So if you like my videos, please subscribe and like the video so that more people are gonna watch. And peace. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.